In this video, I will show you how to change your Etsy shop banner. To do this, simply going to open up the Etsy shop manager, and in the left menu under sales channels, click on your Etsy shop. That will take you right here to your shop. Now just click edit shop, and from there you want to click on banner to showcase your brand and listings. Now you can choose a big banner, mini banner, or none. Now for example, I'll do a mini banner, and then you can see the size that it needs to be right there. From there you can click add an image, and then just upload whatever image you want to use for this, and then it will be uploaded. And then right here you can then set it to however you want it to be, and you can then click save. And I will now have added this banner right here to my Etsy shop. Now if you already have one and you want to change it, just click on the edit icon. They can change it to big or mini, and you can add a new one if you want. So now you know how to change your Etsy shop banner. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.